Please welcome to the field the sound of Grizzly Pride, the Oak Grove Marching Grizzlies. The band is under the direction of Mike Howe and Matt Liner. Percussion and color guard assistance is by Teddy Holcomb and Lauren Hicks. AV and equipment tech is Patrick Biesecker, and administrative assistant is Lauren Howe. The band is under the field command. Drum major Caden Martin. Front ensemble captain is Haley Ray, and drumline captain is Cohen Kravchik. Color guard captain is Ainsley Briggs. Woodwind captain is Valerie Yen, and brass captain is Gregory Willis. This evening, the band will perform their 2021-2022 field show, Malleus Maleficarum, Hammer of Witches. This show musically represents this text written in 1486. The Hammer is the first printed text in history addressing witchcraft, how to identify those suspected of it, and then how to persecute and punish them. We have several airgrams here for Oak Grove while they're taking the field. I'll read those quickly. To Azalee Reynolds from Daniel, I'm so proud of you. I love you with all my heart. To Zachary and Kaylin from the Gunkles, so proud of you both. Love you. Keep up the good work, John and Lauren. To Kenzen from the mom. To my favorite Base 5, you have shown so much improvement since last year. You have come so far, and I could not be any more proud. Demonstrate this performance. To my babies from your local pit mom, I am so incredibly proud of y'all this season. You have done so many incredible things. Keep it up as we continue to dominate. To Kaylin and Zachary from Grandma C, love you. To my Tanner Nanner from your bestie, aka mom. Words cannot describe how proud I am of you. You are my sunshine. Rock that drumline, baby. I love you, kiddo. To Joe, Val, and Haley from Jolly. They're icons, they're legends, and they are the movement. Now come on. Now, I love y'all so much. You girls make me proud every day. And those are all of our airgrams from Oak Grove.
It says they are the moment. This man.
All right. It looks like our judges are ready. Drum major, is your band ready? Oak Grove High School's sound of Grizzly Pride, you may take the field for competition. We appreciate the sound of Grizzly Pride for making the CBB and Updog Kombucha Southeastern Classic one of the contests they attend this year. We hope you'll return to perform for us in future classics. Another round of applause for the sound of Grizzly Pride from Oak Grove High School.